my YouTube channel. You are listening to Dr. Huma Ibrar. Today we are diving into comprehensive guide on how to become an allied health practitioner, including physios or a medical specialist in Bahrain. We'll walk you through the complete procedure of how to become a registered allied health practitioner or a medical specialist in Bahrain. So stay connected and watch this video till end. And if you still haven't subscribed this channel, kindly subscribe this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon, as this channel is all about international licensing exam guidance and material. So let's start the topic. So all the information is from NHRA website and is authentic. So examination application. The first point is all professionals must submit a complete license application through the online system. And so how to submit the application, complete licensing application through the online system, I will guide step by step at the end of this video. So stay connected. Prior to being permitted to appear for licensing examination, once a license application is approved, an eligibility code will be generated for the applicant and sent to him or her through the online system. Number third is the candidate is to use the code generated to register for the license examination. The eligibility code can be used for single attempt only. Once again, I will completely guide about all this procedure. Number 5, once the applicant obtains the result, he or she should upload a copy of examination report with their online application. Number 6 is if the applicant passed the exam, the process of a new license will be completed. If the applicant fails the examination, the eligibility code will be reactivated and the applicant will be notified through the online system, keeping in mind the permitted examination attempts details below. Any examination attempted without the approval of NHRA will not be accepted. I will guide you about how to get approval of NHRA with complete steps. Prometric examination results predating these instructions will not be accepted. For medical dental practitioners, exams done before or during internships will not be accepted. The pass mark of nursing, midwifery, and allied professions is set at 50%. The pass mark for all the professions is set at 60%. Note, if the Prometric was taken from another center, the pass mark will be taken according to the center. Now, examination attempts. Number 1, an applicant may be allowed to appear for the licensing examination for 4 consecutive times, provided that the attempts are done with the maximum of 3 years from the first attempt. And point 2 and 3 are for Bahrainis only. So the fourth point is medical practitioners training must include rotations in general surgery, internal medicine, pediatrics, and obs and gynecology for the last 4 months from the total period. Now let's move towards how to get an approval of NHRA. So here we go. The first step is go to the NHRA website. I will provide the link in description box. Number 2 is click on the department. Click on the department and then click on the medical device registration. So the third point is click on the application. After clicking on the department and then clicking on the medical device registration, we'll have the options of application licensing procedure. So we have to click on the application licensing procedure. Number 4 is click on the link as shown below. So we have to click on the application link. Please use the Chrome browser. Then we have to sign up. Number 7 is fill out the information. If you do not have CPR number, put your passport number. For the phone number, you have to enter plus and the country calling code to receive the SMS authentication code. So the number 8 is about enter the code you have received via email. Check your email. Please do not skip this step. Check your email, check your email, check your email. So the number 9 step is log in using the username and password and click on sign in. Now you can apply for renewal or any other services as shown below. Please note that the renewals wouldn't be accepted more than 2 months prior to the expiry date. For the new application, please click on apply now as shown below. So this is the all procedure for Bahrain. After this, you'll have to schedule your Prometric exam for Bahrain license, and for video about exam scheduling is also given in my YouTube channel. The link is provided in description box. The total MCQs in Bahrain licensing exams are 150 MCQs with 3 hours time, and passing marks are 50%. I hope you have completely watched this video and have gained all the knowledge about Bahrain licensing examination. And for the preparation of Bahrain licensing exam, you can contact me. My email ID is also given in description box.